I wanted to talk to you about something. I've noticed that you've been feeling really stressed lately. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I've just been dealing with a lot lately. Work has been really demanding, and I feel like I'm constantly juggling a million things.
I hear you. It's tough to balance everything sometimes. Have you thought about taking some time for yourself to relax and recharge?
I wish I could, but I feel like I can't afford to take a break right now. There is just too much to do.
I understand, but taking care of yourself is important too. If you keep pushing yourself too hard, you'll burn out and won't be able to be as productive anyway.
You're right. I know I need to prioritize self-care more. Any suggestions on how I can do that without sacrificing my responsibilities?
Well, maybe you could try setting aside some time each day for activities that help you relax, like going for a walk, practicing mindfulness, or doing something creative. And don't be afraid to ask for help or delegate tasks if you need to.
That's good advice. I'll give it a try. Thanks for looking out for me.
Of course, anytime. Just remember that your well-being is important, and taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's necessary for you to be at your best.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again for the reminder.
No problem. We're all in this together, and I'm here to support you however I can.